In cyclone-prone parts of Australia, windows and doors must be designed to withstand some of the country's most extreme weather conditions. To help achieve this, window systems are tested for things like structural deflection, water penetration, and wind pressure performance. These lab tests assess how much a window can flex under strong winds, how well it resists wind-driven rain, and whether it can remain structurally sound under high pressure. That's why buildings in cyclone-prone regions often require products with appropriate wind ratings, different fixing methods, and higher performance standards to suit the local conditions. Because when severe weather strikes, a window is more than just a glass panel and a frame. It's part of the building's overall resistance. The more you know. Follow for more home and window facts.